Atlanta as a destructive fire continues to smolder. This jaw-dropping picture of the scene last night
described to me what it was like watching her complex burn Friday night.
I thought I was dreaming, honestly. It did not feel real, like watching it from the distance. I was watching it right over here in the parking lot.
All the residents got out safely. Atlanta police have arrested 2 people in connection with the fire, 42-year-old Robert Stokes and 25-year-old Charnel Gunn. Investigators say the 2 were lighting fireworks on the building's roof. They've charged them with reckless conduct and criminal damage to property.
She really does need to learn because she kind of affected a lot, or she did affect a lot of people.
Just the fact that it was 2 grown adults that caused all of this, or potentially caused all of this, is kind of mind-blowing to me.